Look, are you going to use a rice bucket? Yes? Tell me your letter sounds first. Ready? What does this say? You see it? Let's go fast. Ready? Set? What does this say? N says? Q says? Good. U says? What does U say? Say it better. Good. A says? Good. T says? G says? E says? Good. C says? W says? K says? I says? F says? B says? H says? Perfect. M says? What does M say? Good. What does L say? What? You want to see the little mouse? Little mouse. Good. That's a sign for mouse. You're petting the mouse.
Yeah.
Okay. What does L say? Good. What does R say?
Lion.
You saw the lion. Oh, don't scare me. Ready?
Yeah.
What does R say? Almost done.
I.
What?
I.
Your eye. Say hair
Am.
in my
My.
eye.
I.
You want me to push it away? Your glasses are broken, right?
Yeah.
There you go. What does R say? Good. What does D say?
Do.
X says. Z says. Very nice. What does V say? You okay?
No.
No? You're almost done. What does V say?
What?
Say tickle your lip. Good. P says. O says. S says.
P.
Very nice. J says.
Do.
Y says. You're so smart. Last thing. Spell your name.
I.
What is your... Start over. F.
E.